This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make green pesto sauce. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 small garlic cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These simple components combine to create a truly vibrant and flavorful sauce. Now, let's blend our pesto to perfection. First, lightly toast your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. Then, combine the basil, garlic, toasted pine nuts, and salt in your food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while the processor is running, creating a smooth emulsion. Finally, add the Parmesan cheese and pulse just until combined. To achieve the best pesto, remember a few key tips. Using a food processor makes the process quick and easy, but a traditional mortar and pestle yields a unique texture. Be careful not to overprocess, as this can make the basil bitter. You can always add a little more olive oil to reach your preferred consistency. Always taste your pesto and adjust the salt and cheese to your liking for perfect balance. Once your delicious green pesto is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. To prevent the top layer from oxidizing and turning brown, pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the surface. For longer storage, you can freeze pesto in ice cube trays. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.